Hello everyone, I'm Bipul. Welcome in the Government Talks. Ministry of Finance issued press release today, 23rd July 2021. Ministry told that significant improvement in the India's score in the United Nations Global Survey on Digital and Sustainable Trade Facilitation. Dear friends, India has scored 90.32% in the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for the Asia Pacific latest global survey on the digital and sustainable trade facilitation. The survey hails this as a remarkable jump from the 78.49% in 2019. The survey result can be accessed at untfsurvey.org. Friends, after evaluation of the 143 economies, the 2021 survey has highlighted India's significant improvement in the scores on all 5 key indicators. The 5 indicators: first, transparency, formalities, institutional arrangement and cooperation, paperless trade, cross-border paperless trade. In this, all 5 key indicators, India score is improved. That is, in transparency, there is 100% in 2021. This is from 93.33% in 2019, and formalities 95.83% in 2021 from 87.5% in 2019, and institutional arrangement and cooperation, that is 88.89% in 2021 from 66.67% in 2019, and paperless trade, that is 96.3% in 2021 from 81.48% in 2019, and cross-border paperless trade, that is 66.67% in 2021 from 55.56% in 2019. The survey noted that India is the best performance country when compared to the South and Southwest Asia region, that is 63.12%, and Asia Pacific region 65.85%. The overall scores of the India has also been found to be greater than many OECD countries, including France, UK, Canada, Norway, Finland, etc. And the overall score is greater than the average score of the European Union countries. India has achieved a 100% score for the Transparency Index and 66% in the Women Trade component. CBIC has been forefront of the path-breaking reforms under the umbrella of the Turant Customs to usher in the faceless, paperless, and contactless customs by way of a series of reforms. This has had a direct impact in the terms of the improvement in the UNESCAP rankings on digital and sustainable trade facilitation. Further, during the COVID-19 pandemic, custom formulation have made all efforts to expedite COVID-related imports such as oxygen-related equipment, life-saving medicine, vaccine, etc. A dedicated single window COVID-19 24/7 help desk for exempt trade was created on the CBIC website to facilitate quick resolution of issues faced by the importers. About the survey, the global survey on the digital and sustainable trade facilitation is conducted every 2 years by the UNESCAP. The 2021 surveys include an assessment of 58 trade facilitation measures covered by the WTO Trade Facilitation Agreement. The survey is keenly awaited globally as it evidences whether or not the trade facilitation measures being taken have the desired impact and helps draw comparison amongst countries. A higher score for a country also helps business in their investment decisions. Thank you so much for watching this news.